Firstly, to activate hear through, you have to single press the left earbud, and to pause or play music, you have to single tap the right earbud. Secondly, if you want to go to the next track, just push the left earbud twice, and to go to the previous track, just push it 3 times. Also, to control the volume, you just need to press and hold either the left or the right earbud to decrease or increase volume respectively. Also, if you want to summon your voice assistant on your phone, simply double press the right earbud. So that's about it for the touch controls of these earphones. You can easily find them on the user manual as well, and they're explained in a nice and concise way. Sporting Bluetooth 5.0, these earphones have the connectivity of 33 feet or 10 meters, and they also have the ability to connect to 2 devices at once. And also the good thing is that these can be paired to up to 8 devices at one time, but you won't obviously be able to listen to all 8 of them together. You can just listen to 2 of them at once. Now we're going to show you how to pair the Jabra Elite 75T true wireless earphones to your device. Firstly, extract them from the charging case like this, and they should now be turned on. And to put them into pairing mode, just tap both the physical buttons for a period of about 3 seconds, and they should be in pairing mode right now. So just turn on the Bluetooth on your device and scan for the device. So there you can see we've found the 75T and it is pairing right now. So we're going to wait for it to pair. It does take a while sometimes, so let's be patient here. And you can see that we've got this notification. We're going to hit OK. That means we are currently paired and we have 100% battery. It tells you that right here. So now let's go to the Jabra Sound Plus. Now let's go to the Sound Plus app. There you see it. And you can see it has a bunch of stuff on the app. So firstly, you can see sound modes. You can set your own sound mode and you can personalize it if you want hear through on, hear through off. This is your moment right now, your moment. And then there is a commute mode, and then there's also focus mode where you can work and be more focused. There's also soundscapes to help you focus better, such as ocean waves right here. So here you can also set your music equalizer as you like it. You can pump up the bass, drop the mids, or drop the bass, pump up the mids, whatever. It's literally your preference. So we've set it to default right here. They also have a few presets such as speech, bass boost, treble boost, smooth, and energize. So you can choose their own presets, and if you like them, you can employ them. Here there's this toggleable button to set hear through, and you can also select the amount of hear through that will come through the earphone. So if you want a lot of the background noise to come in, suppose if you're at a train station and you need to listen to the announcements, so you can push this up or you can bump it down as per your convenience. Here you have the headset, and you can check for the battery on both left and right earbuds, which is 100% at the moment, and our charging case has 24% battery. You can also check for firmware updates if your earphones are ready to have them. And then there's voice assistant. You can choose either phone default or Amazon Alexa, and here it tells you that you have to double tap the right earbud for voice assistant. Also here you can register your earbuds and get the warranty for the device. Here you can find your Jabra. So suppose you have misplaced your case, you can just press this and it will locate it for you. So they're really looking to be a great pair of earphones, and we can't wait to try them. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.